Hey everyone, Kyle here again at the Studebaker National Museum. Very excited to share with you a sneak peek of our upcoming exhibit, Manufacturing Victory, opening on June 19th. So to my left here, I have a giant wheel. So during World War I, Studebaker manufactured many products for the war effort, including the wheel you can see here to my left. So this giant wheel was one of two that would have been part of a gun carriage, right? And these carriages were pulled by like horses, tractors, rail. They would have been pulled to the front lines, meant to be used again on European battlefields starting in 1918. So the gun was an M1906 4.7-inch gun. So we don't have the gun or the carriage here, just the wheels. And we have several of these in our collection. You'll notice it's also camouflaged. So there were actually many female workers working at Studebaker who painted and welded on the gun carriages, as you can see in the photo here. So it's a very neat piece, one of many pieces, again, that Studebaker built for World War I. If you want to see more of those, come check out the exhibit. Again, it opens on June 19th, and we are happy to be doing it with our friends next door at the History Museum. So a lot of great stuff. Come see us. Thanks.